Hey, what's up guys? Everyone loves YouTube, right? But YouTube recommends users video based on their search history. However, there are times when we don't want some video that we watched to appear in our search history. So, YouTube has solved this problem with its new incognito mode feature. The only other place where we find incognito mode is in web browsers. But kudos to YouTube for making it available on their official app. Now, if you are wondering how to use this incognito mode, then follow these steps. The important thing is to have updated YouTube app. Then tap on the avatar icon from the top right corner of the application, that is your profile picture. Then from the account section, tap on turn on incognito to activate the incognito mode for your YouTube. In the incognito mode, the avatar or the icon will be replaced by a black incognito symbol which you are familiar with. Which you might have seen in the Chrome browser as well if you are turned on the incognito mode. Once you have done that, you can browse and watch any video you want, and the application will no longer save it in your search history. To turn it back off, you can just tap on the icon or the profile picture and then turn off the incognito mode, and that's simple. Alternatively, if you don't want YouTube to track your search and watch history for your account, then you can turn that off. Just head to settings and then history and privacy and pause both of them. So it's that simple. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. With that being said, I am Satish and see you in another video.